As AI systems gain access to real tools, real data, and real money, prompt injection moves from a theoretical risk to a business-critical security problem. That's why OWASP currently ranks prompt injection as the #1 security risk for LLM applications. Prompt injection occurs when an attacker crafts input that causes an AI system to ignore its safety guardrails and respond to unwanted, dangerous, or malicious prompts. In this video, you'll see both a visual example built for learning and a real sandbox where you can attempt actual prompt injection attacks against protected workflows. Here's what that looks like. VIA's OWASP prompt injection attack demo shows how to prevent prompt injection attacks against LLMs that have access to sensitive resources and data. It lets you test out enforcing access policies, preventing the LLM from triggering unsafe actions and behaviors in your business's agentic workflows. Here's how it works. The app accepts prompt input from users and, based on the response, may then attempt to perform a sensitive API call. In our example, the LLM instructs our app to export all user tickets. As seen here, data export is a sensitive action that we've defined. When the app attempts a sensitive API call, VIA's Zero Trust Fabric immediately detects the request and enforces a step-up authentication request to the user's VIA wallet. From the wallet, the user can review details of the sensitive API call and approve or deny the request. This step-up authentication flow ensures that our LLM and application do not execute sensitive actions without explicit permission from the required users. Prompt injection is a growing threat to businesses as they introduce LLMs. Without proper policies in place, prompt injection may lead to the compromise of your most critical systems and data. Don't just take our word for it. Try it for yourself. Go to the description of this video, grab the link, clone the GitHub repo, and see if you can get the LLM to access your sensitive data without explicit permission.